So in the previous notebook, we worked through feature engineering and discussed different ways of constructing features. In this notebook, we'll talk about some of the key pitfalls in feature engineering. We'll start talking about some issues around redundant features. This is when we introduce features that are linear combinations of existing features, and this can create issues as we go to solve the normal equation. We'll then talk a bit about what happens when you have too many features, when the number of features exceeds the number of data points. Again, this will create challenges with the normal equations. And then I'll talk about overfitting, which is probably one of the biggest challenges in machine learning and statistics. This is the tendency to fit models to our data in such a way that when we see new data, the models actually perform poorly. That is, we overfit to the errors or noise or inconsistencies in our data and then try to generalize those to new data. So we'll talk about each of these topics, and I'll work through them in this notebook. And as before, I've tried to break this video into separate segments, where for each of these topics, we'll have a short video and then some exercises you can work through. In this notebook, I will actually work through the exercises in the video, so you could try to follow along as I go through each of these steps.